Hello everyone, I am Dr. Aditi Jain, dermatologist practicing in Jaipur at Urja Skin and ENT Center. Today I am going to be talking to you through the platform of Derma Vidya and access to dermatology on acne and how microdermabrasion can be used to treat acne. First and foremost, let's cover the types of acne that are there. All of us are aware of what acne is. It is mainly an infection of the pilosebaceous unit. The sebum production is increased and the clogs are poured, so the sebum is not excreted properly, and then there is bacteria that starts harboring into it and causes the acne or the pimple. So there are four grades of acne, starting from grade 1 to grade 4. Grade 1 being the mildest, and grade 4 the most severe ones, where you have the painful cystic kinds of acne. The treatment varies for each of these types and will be decided and advised by a dermatologist according to what exactly you need. How is microdermabrasion going to help treat acne? First and foremost, it is going to reduce the clogging of the pores, and it is going to help in healing the scars that are left behind due to the acne that has been caused. The ideal candidates for this kind of a procedure are those with 1 and 2 grade of acne. In those patients or in those individuals, the microdermabrasion can be done right away. But those with nodulocystic or the cystic painful type of acne, for them some kind of treatment is required earlier. The skin needs to be prepped with some topical agents and oral medicines, and once the infection is controlled a bit and the inflammation or the redness is controlled, then we can go ahead with the procedure. What you should be expecting when you're going for a microdermabrasion, or what exactly the procedure is going to involve, is first and foremost, your dermatologist is going to ask a therapist to clean your face. Second step would be going with the microdermabrasion, which is a probe and it has diamond crystals in it, which will be used on your face. You will feel a little bit of suction, which will be a little bit uncomfortable, just like how you feel uncomfortable when you're getting a regular waxing or a threading, nothing more than that. And that's about it. After this, probably depending on your skin type, there would probably a mask or a sheet mask to follow, so that your skin calms down a little bit. It can be combined with other procedures as well. For example, a light chemical peel can be done, or a dermaplaning procedure can be done, or maybe a laser toning can be done if your dermatologist suggests you for it. So depending on your skin type and the requirement, the treatment also is going to be based on that. Post procedure care would involve definitely a sunscreen, uh, a good anti acne agent which is going to reduce the acne in the future and prevent them from happening. The most important step, if you want to prevent acne in the future, is concentrate on your diet and on your lifestyle. Acne is more of a lifestyle problem rather than any infection or a dermatological disease. It will automatically reduce, or it will automatically stop occurring if you have a healthy lifestyle, a well balanced diet, a good night's sleep, and regular exercise. Coming to the side effects that you can be expecting with a microdermabrasion procedure, nothing much really, but a little bit of redness or erythema just immediately post procedure might be there because of the suction that we are using, but it will settle down within the next 15 to 20 minutes. Other than that, there isn't really any side effect that you should be looking for, especially if it is done by a professional. I hope that I have been able to guide you and inform you about microdermabrasion in treating acne. If you like our videos, please visit our website dermavidya.com, and do not self-medicate. Consult a dermatologist or an expert near you. Thank you.
For more such videos, visit or log into dermavidya.com.